Good morning, guys. It's Saturday here. I got a Dodge Charger. I'm about to do a cold air intake, so this whole stock system is about to get, we're gonna get rid of that and slap a AFV cold air intake. These are all right. Don't mind the lawnmower nor the other mess back here, but I have everything that came out of the box from the kit, which we got the piping, we got all of our clamps, all of our boots, we got some brackets, some miscellaneous hardware. Obviously you got your warranty paperwork, some couple stickers. You get your instructions, which we're not gonna need. They were nice enough to send a license plate cover, so my friend would be getting that, and then they send some type of isolator, and then we got the air filter here. Everything's in the box, so let's go ahead and slap it on the car now that we got the car ready to go. Oh, and you get the big box. I just put it in here to see how it was gonna sit, and it said this process started. Looks like we're halfway there.